Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your signature defaults on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Gmail. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top right corner, go to Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the top right corner, click on the cogwheel, which is the settings, and then click on see all settings. Then scroll to the bottom where we have signature. We want to then ensure that we have a signature on file. If not, we would then have to create one. Once we've created that, then we scroll to the bottom where it says signature defaults. For new emails, use the new signature. On reply /forward, use a new signature. So what I will do is let's just compose an email. You can then see that we don't have the signature in the email before compiling the email. So let's click on the X. If we then click on insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the hyphen line that precedes it, go to save changes, and now let's compose a brand new email. And there we have the signature in the email before the email itself has been compiled. If I were to, let's just say now, click on an email, reply to an email, and then we also have the signature within that email ready for the reply. So we can now go back to inbox, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.